Hey everybody, it's Tommy Anderson with a new episode of Tom's Model Build, and this time I'm doing Monogram's 1995 1/48 scale F-14A Tomcat. And I found this kit at a swap meet in Palm Springs. It had been open, but it appeared that all the parts were in there. And being an older kit, I knew I'd probably have to get new decals for it because these fall apart after 20 some years. But I thought I'd do a little twist on this one, and unless you're an aviation enthusiast, probably a military veteran or a modeler, I'm making the F-14 from USS Enterprise VF-1 Wolfpack, and it was part of Operation Frequent Wind. Its first combat deployment of the Grumman Tomcat was in the Vietnam War, and it was in 1975, and it flew combat air patrols at the end of the war and provided support for the evacuation of military personnel, civilian personnel from Saigon and other bases that were being overrun by the North Vietnamese communists. So I ordered the decals for this, and I thought, what the heck? If I'm going to make this, I'm going to make it something unique. So enjoy. Please like my video, share, and subscribe.